Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study smart medicine step by step. Begin with a clear weekly plan that breaks down topics into manageable blocks, focus on high-yield concepts first, and set a timer for focused study intervals. Alternate active recall with quick-spaced review, practice with clinical cases, and track weaknesses to revisit. Stay consistent, take short physical breaks, and adjust your plan based on progress and fatigue. Use active learning every study day to turn passive review into lasting knowledge. Create concise flashcards, summarize topics in your own words, and explain conditions out loud as if teaching a peer. Mix practice questions with timed reviews and simulate clinical decisions from vignettes. Regularly update cards and notes, focus reviews on missed items, and keep sessions brisk to maintain attention and improve long-term recall for exams and clinical work. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical study guides. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth offers calm, sensible thinking about money, and it always makes me smile when budgeting study time. It pairs well with student life and long-term planning, so check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Plan your study calendar with realistic blocks that match your concentration, then protect those slots. Use focused sessions of about 45 to 60 minutes followed by short restorative breaks, and reserve one day a week for cumulative review. Tackle hardest topics when you are freshest, and reduce distractions by pausing notifications and designating a clean study space. Track progress, celebrate small wins, and adapt your schedule based on energy and learning needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.